In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a savings account in Halifax. We'll walk through the Halifax mobile app together so you know exactly what to expect on each screen, and I'll share a few tips to help you pick the account that fits your goals. Start by opening the Halifax mobile app on your phone. Give it a second to load. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date app will make the process smooth and quick. On the home screen, look toward the bottom navigation bar and tap Apply. This is the section the app uses for new products, and it's where you'll find all the savings options. Scroll down the list until you see Savings, then choose Compare Savings Accounts. This takes you to a comparison page so you can see side by side what's available right now. You'll see a range of savings accounts, and ISAs accounts can differ by interest rate, how easily you can withdraw money, whether there's a bonus rate, and if there's a minimum opening amount. ISAs are a type of account with tax advantages for eligible customers, while standard savings accounts focus on easy everyday saving. Take a moment to read the short descriptions so you can match the features to your needs. Once you've found the option that suits you best, select it to view the full details. Carefully review the key information, the interest rate, whether it's fixed or variable, any withdrawal restrictions, and how interest is calculated. Check for introductory bonuses or limits that might affect you later. If everything looks right and you're happy with the terms, move forward by tapping Confirm and Continue. You'll now be asked where you want your interest to be paid. Typically, you can have interest paid into the new savings account to help your balance grow, or into a linked Halifax account if you prefer to keep interest separate. Choose the option that aligns with how you want to manage your money. When you're ready, tap Open Account to complete the process. The app will create your new savings account, and within moments, it should appear on your Halifax dashboard. If the list refreshes, that's normal. Just give it a moment to update, and that's it. You've successfully opened a Halifax savings account using the mobile app. From here, you can view the account details anytime in your dashboard and keep an eye on your interest as it's paid according to the option you selected. Thanks for watching, and great job taking a step towards smarter saving.